Uh-oh. Thank you for trying to keep them away. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, gosh.
Okay, guys.
The literal running of the bulls.
Come on.
Just be sure to keep them away from the apple trees, okay?
Hey, come on.
The literal running of the bulls. Oh, God. Literal westward running of the bulls. Uh-oh. Cow escape. Uh-oh.